Good morning, everyone, and happy Valentine's Day. How are you all doing today? Welcome to another collaboration video. This is from the heart of a crafter collaboration with me and many other beautiful, talented ladies. So please make sure you go check them out. There is a link down below to do that. So what I have created, it's either one of two things: beads or a journal. Well, I had to go for beads. And I needed a reason to make another one of these 3D puffy hearts. Hello. I forgot how much fun it is to make these here. And this is made with two different colors of pink. It is two-toned pink heart. It is made with check fire polish 4mm round beads. These are gorgeous beads. I had gotten these in my bead bag subscription, one from last month and one from this month, and I decided to use them. So I made this little heart. Now I can't show you how to make this, but I can tell you, go over to Off the Beaded Path, and when you go over there, search heart, and this will come up. So it is not mine, it's Kelly Dale's tutorial, so I cannot and won't do that. So in this chunky charm, you see tons of pearls. Now, pearls are classy, they're elegant, they never go out of style. I mean, they are timeless, but you know, they kind of surround, you know, around love and just all of that. So I had to use pearls. I used a pale pink. I also used a white. You can't really tell the pale pink because it all looks white here on camera. I don't know. I guess you can see kind of a tint, maybe. But there is a pale pink and a white. I also used some glass round beads. One right there. Let me pull this up closer so you can see. Let me fix the focus. There we go. So here is the heart that I made. It is 3D, as you can tell. It is a beautiful heart. Absolutely love it. Now I added some sea beads on the side so it can hang sideways. I didn't want it to hang like this because, you know, I just didn't think it looked good. And then you see all of these beautiful pearls, the rounds. Now, all of these were added on individually on a head pin, wire wrapped. It does take a lot of work to do, but the results are absolutely stunning for it. I also took some charms out, and added some charms. This one here is just, it's supposed to be a toggle, but I thought it was beautiful and had to go on here, and it has some pink rhinestones in it. And then I added this cute little ballerina. She is just adorable. She had to go on here. I also added a crown with some pink on it as well. Here is a ribbon with pink rhinestones in it. You can't see it too well because my lighting is like horrible. There we go. And then I added this little angel on here as well. It's just a pewter angel. And then just a key ring. I didn't have a clasp big enough for this, so I just put it on a key ring so you can add it onto your, let me fix this here. So you can add it onto your purse if you want to, and you won't have to worry about the clasp breaking or coming off. So, I will be doing a giveaway on this. So what I will do is anybody who comments down below, I will do a random picker thing here on the internet and pick a name, and you will have the chance to win this keychain, this chunky charm right here, which is something I don't normally do because these take so much time, but because it is Valentine's Day, I would love to bless somebody with this chunky charm. So if you want a chance to win this, leave a comment down below and just, tell me what your favorite thing about Valentine's Day is. And then let's see. Let me see what the let me see here. Let me see here. The 24th, I will do a the drawing for this, and I will announce it here on my channel. So please keep an eye out for that. Now, you do have to be subscribed. Y'all, you got to be subscribed. So subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what your favorite thing is about Valentine's Day. And then the 24th, I will do a drawing for someone to have the chance to win this chunky charm here. So, alright guys, thank you for joining me again. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys are having a day full of love and joy with all of your loved ones, no matter who it is, if it's your significant other, or if it's hanging out with your kids, your friends, your family, whatever. I hope it is full of love and joy. Again, please go check out the other amazing ladies in this collab and see the amazing things that they have made. So, alright guys, I'm off here. I'm going to go hang with the family. And I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. Anyway, on that note, I'm off here. Have a great rest of your day. And as always, goodbye. God bless. And I'll see y'all again soon.